You stopped in the right place. This is the universe's confirmation that you clicked the right video. You were trying to make a thirst trap, right, in Blender. You needed to get fly, you didn't know how to get a fresh cut. I will solve that for you. This is the ultimate solution to have sharp, get a sharp edge up in Blender, to look immaculate for all the animated shorties in your render, okay? What you need to do to get started is pull up your Blender project, pull up your mesh, pull it out, throw it into the middle of the screen, like I am doing right now. You know, if you're much of an astrological person like myself at one point, you want to click the Taurus, because it's kind of like a Taurus, right? It's kind of like that astrological sign. Now, as you can see here, I'm in X-ray mode. I'm going to toggle out real quick so you can see a better look at this. See, this has a full crispy lineup, too crispy. This is like when they put the chalk on the lineup, it's, but like, you know, draw it in and, you know, shoot all that spray crap all over your hair to make it look super edged up. That's what this is. This is not what the tutorial is, okay? It's shaded flat. We don't want none of the shaded flat stuff. None of that. What you need to do is go to Object, Shade Auto Smooth. Now you're gonna get more of a Drake vibe from this, right? It's gonna be, you know, it's gonna have that soft side. It's the Drake of the shade options, okay? This is the best one. This is the meta of Blender, okay? In my opinion. What you need to do, tab into edit mode. After you shade Auto Smooth, go into X-ray mode if you need to, like I'm doing. And go ahead and grab all the vertices / edges that you want to have a fresh line on. Now, as you can see here, the lines I selected are smooth when I toggle out of edit mode. They're smooth right now. What you need to do to unsmooth them and make them a sharp line is to Control E and go all the way down to Mark Sharp. And mark it sharp. And now you're gonna have these blue lines on that very edge that will show you that now it's marked sharp when you were in edit mode. Tab out of edit mode and look it. You got a fresh lineup. It's that simple. And then if you want to get rid of it, do this. Unselect. Well, I'm unselecting all this because I don't, you know, I'm not trying to get rid of the outer line. But, you know, go into edit mode, click all the vertices / edges that you want to get rid of, and then just go Control E, clear sharp. Now you won't have an edge up. Your Blender hair grew out, and now you don't have a lineup anymore when you clear sharp. So mark sharp will give you a fresh lineup. Clear sharp, you know, you'll have a dusty cut. It's not, you know, it is what it is. That's the tutorial. Very simple, very straightforward. If you liked the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you liked the video. If you have any questions, throw them in the comment section. If you would like to subscribe, I would greatly appreciate that. Please do so. I'll link my Instagram and TikTok on the screen or in the bio / description or whatever somewhere, so you can check out the stuff that I make. I greatly appreciate you. I missed making videos. I am back, and I will not be gone. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Deuces.